In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Deliveroo coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Deliveroo coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Hot UK Deals. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes and some deals, and you can use these ones to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get this £10 discount on your first order, all you need to do is just select this button right here where it says C code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one from this button and you can apply this promo code on your first order to get a £10 discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called Groupon. And as you can see right here, we have other promo codes and some deals, and you can use this one to get some benefits as well. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with up to 25% discount. All you need to do is just select this button right here where it says Get Deal. So for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do right here is just select the button where it says Shop Now. And after that, you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.